Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Squarespace detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Squarespace website at squarespace.com. On the homepage, click on the Start Free Trial button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it. Click on Get Started to proceed. You will be asked to choose a template for your website. Browse through the available templates and select one that suits your needs. After selecting a template, click Start with this design. You will be taken to the website editor. Fill in the site title and tagline in the provided fields. Next, you'll need to choose your website's primary purpose. Select options that best represent your business or personal website. Continue by clicking Next. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name. Add your phone number for account verification. Click Continue to move to the next step. You may now be asked to choose a domain name for your site. Enter a preferred domain name in the search field. Check the availability of the domain. If the domain is taken, consider using alternative suggestions provided. Once you find an available domain, click on Select. Proceed to fill out payment information for your chosen plan. Enter your credit card details and billing address. Review and confirm your plan selection. After payment, you will see a confirmation message. Your Squarespace account is now set up. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the various options. You can start customizing your site and adding content. Complete the guided setup for a better understanding of features. Save your changes regularly as you work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.